Hey, what's up, dreamers? I'm Zeke, and welcome back to the Dream Green Show. For the last 753 days, I've been investing $20 every single day inside of my favorite stock, my recession-proof stock that literally only goes up. That stock, I'm gonna cut straight to the chase, is Waste Management, ticker symbol WM. So yeah, this video is probably not going to be as popular as the Tesla videos, Palantir, SoFi, SoundHound, Nvidia videos. These stocks can go up 30, 40, 50, 60, 80% in just 1 year, but they're very volatile and they also could pull back. I've seen it. I've been there. These stocks can pull back 30, 40, 50% in a month. That's how volatile these stocks are. So what I did, I decided to invest $20 every single day inside of Waste Management, a very solid company that right now is at a very good price. And that's why I decided to make this video, because if you wanted to get started just like me on Waste Management, this is the perfect place for me to park my cash other than it just sit inside of the bank, pretty much doing nothing. I park my cash inside of Waste Management and it literally only goes up. And it's two things that you guys can do. If you got a lot of money, you can put inside of it. If you got a little bit of money over time, you can still make more money. But I'm going to show you guys both ways on how much I made just from investing inside Waste Management and from dollar cost averaging $20 every single day. So we pull up Waste Management right here. You guys can see this is my portfolio. Right now it's at $205.83. If we look at it over the next month, it is down, guys. At one point, it was up to $230, $229. Right now, it's at $205, and that's why I'm making this video, because it's very hard. It's very rare to find Waste Management on sale. So when I see this big pullback like this, I am happy and eager to get in. So right now, I own 39 shares of Waste Management. My market value is $8,036, with my average cost being around $175. So I'm up 17%, and I've been investing into them for 2 years. Now, I know you guys are saying, hey, if it's up 17% over the last 2 years, you could have put that money inside of anything else. You could have put inside of Tesla. You could have put inside Amazon. You could have put inside any of these high hype stocks right now and made double that. Yes, but if we ever head into a recession, Waste Management goes up. If we ever head into a recession, Waste Management increase their dividends. If we ever head into a recession, when the S&P 500 pulls back 20-25%, guess what goes up? Waste Management goes up. I've seen it time after time. This is my safe stock. I'm not saying I'm going to get rich off of Waste Management. I'm saying I'm going to have a whole bunch of cash inside Waste Management, so when the recession do come, I could sell some of my Waste Management stocks because it's not going to dip as much as the rest of the industry. And then I can invest the money I made from Waste Management to buy other companies that are on sale. So if we scroll down, you guys can see I'm up 17%, $1,201. If you look, you guys can see from dollar cost averaging, I'm up 11.82% over the last 2 years. Once again, it's not a lot of money, especially if I would have just put inside the S&P 500. But this is my safe stock. I'm not investing all of my money or a lot of my money into it. I'm investing some money just to have a recession-proof area right here, right? So I first started investing on November 30th, 2022. That's 753 days ago, a little bit over 2 years. And I invest around $400 every single month. That's $20 a day, $100 a week. I found the way to invest $20 inside of Waste Management, other than just let it sit inside the bank, collecting 1% a year. So I've been collecting a little bit over 6% per year on Waste Management. And not also that, but I also have been collecting some dividends from Waste Management as well. So if you're wondering what is Waste Management, here's Waste Management. You guys know that they're the trash recycling company. These are their bins. These are the ones that they have behind every grocery store, Walmart, Target. You see these bins right here. That's the trash companies that every company use to dump their trash into, and then they come pick them up. The big green trucks, that's Waste Management. And as you guys can probably see, over the last year to date, they're up 15.82%. That's the thing about dollar cost averaging inside Waste Management. If you throw in a lump sum 2 years ago, you will make a lot of money. But if you just throw in $20 every single day, you're always buying the highs, because you're never buying the lows of Waste Management, because it really don't ever dip. That's the only bad part about dollar cost averaging on such a solid company, is that it really don't dip. But we finally found the dip. I'm going to show you guys, because over the last 5 years, they're up 82.83%. So if we come back over to the screen right here, you guys can see that this is the daily chart on Waste Management. Let's turn off the Bollinger Bands. And If we scroll all the way back to 2022, around in this area when I first started in November, so it'd be right here. If I would just throw in $8,000 and wrote it all the way up to the top, that's a 36% profit. That's a 36% gain in just 2 years. That's amazing. And at the current price, that is a 22% gain in 2 years. So yes, looking back at it, if I had a lot of money, I could have thrown it inside waste management and wrote it up to the top. But this is my recession proof stock, and I'm going to show you guys why in just 1 second. But as you guys can see, let's turn back on the Bollinger Bands. It is at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and it's at the 200 SMA moving average line. This is a strong support line, but I do have another strong support line down here at around $200. So if waste management do decide to fall to $200, I could go in and throw a little bit more of my savings inside of waste management and buy it at a critical support level. This is the support level touched once. It came to the $200 price point. It bounced off of that again. Came to the $200 price point, bounced off of that again, and it came back to the $200 price point and bounced off of that again. So if you do pull back to the $200 price point, statistically speaking, it might bounce off of it again. It might continue to pull back, but the odds are in my favor to buy it at a critical support level on waste management. Now, if we do come over to Seeking Alpha, you guys can see that they've been increasing their dividends every single year for the last 21 years. Recession proof stock. They was able to increase their dividends through a recession, a depression, a pandemic, all of that. They was able to increase their dividends. They don't have their highest dividend yield, 1.4746%, but it is a dividend yield. And for every share that you own of waste management, you will get paid out 75 cents per share that you own of waste management. So if we come back over here to the daily chart, this is the daily chart. It's been falling for a couple of weeks now, and I'm hoping that it does continue to fall, because that's how you make money inside the stock market. You want to buy low and then sell high. But in waste management, this is my little online bank that I'm using on waste management. It makes me more money than putting inside my savings account, and that's what I'm doing with waste management right now. But if you do want to look at some future projections of waste management, we could come over here to Moomoo. If you guys do want to pick up some free stocks, I'm gonna leave a link to Moomoo down in the description. Sign up right now. Just from signing up and using that platform, they're giving you up to 15 free shares, 15 free stocks. Deposit $100 and you have access to many of their free tools. That link is going to be down in the description. Let's get back to waste management. As you guys can see, we're going to click on the company button right here and scroll up, and you guys can see the analysis rating right here. With the price target, they're giving it a 52% buy. If you already hold waste management, they're saying 47% are saying hold it, and 0% are saying sell it. And if we look at the detailed ratings, JP Morgan is giving it a $225 price point. Morgan Stanley is giving it a $227 price point. The next one is giving it a $252 price point. But if we look at the averages overall, right now it's at $205 currently. The high over the next 12 months is giving it $255. The medium over the next 5 months is giving it $234. And the low over the next 12 months is giving it $220. But Morningstar Research is giving it a 2-star rating with a fair value at $181. I would love to get it at $181, but no one is saying sell waste management. This is one of the best banger stocks out there to grab, just to be safe, just in case of a big pullback inside the market. Waste management won't experience the same pullback as every other stock there is out there. So yeah, guys, I'm going to continue to dollar cost average in on waste management. I know it's a boring stock to talk about. It's a very boring stock to talk about. Nothing ever happens, nothing in the news, nothing ever really goes on with waste management. So there's not a lot of content to make about it, but people are still making a lot of money with waste management, from it going up 6, 7, 8, 9, 10% every single year, and you're collecting dividends. And when the market pulls back, waste management usually does not pull back. So let me know, guys, should I just go ahead and continue to hold on to my waste management shares, or should I just sell that $8,000 and throw it inside of Apple? Should I sell that $8,000 and throw it inside of AMD? What should I do with the $8,000? Should I just keep it inside my portfolio and continue to invest that $20 every single day? Let me know down in the comment section. And if you guys do want to join the Patreon is going to be down in the pinned comment section over there. It'll take you to my Discord. If you join the Patreon, it'll take you to my Discord. Over there, I post every single time I buy and sell a stock, my option trades, my covered calls. And we also have 3 pro day traders in there that post their day trades every single day. They absolutely be killing it. People inside of the Discord are taking those trades and making a lot of money from it. And I've been hosting some live sessions on Sunday. So if you guys do want to check that out, the link to Patreon is going to be down in the description, and you'll be a part of a community of traders and investors that want to be financially free just like you. I know you want to be financially free because you're watching this video. I'm so proud of you. If you made it to this part of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button, because it helps out this channel more than you can possibly even imagine. And go ahead, while you're at it, check out my second channel. I'm going to be hosting Dream Green Conversations over there starting in January 2025. Go ahead and check that out. But enough talking. I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.